By the Sneaky Fan away here. So we're in our 98 Buick Park Avenue, and we're going to show you how to change the door handle. This is the door handle from our open box. So this is what the inside of the handle looks like. And then if you come to the outside, this is what the outside looks like. So the handle that you saw in the open box will be replaced right here. And we're going to get back to replacing the handle. Alrighty, guys.
The tools you need to take off the door handle and also the interior door panel will be a screwdriver. And for the door handle, take off the exterior door handle, you just need a 10mm ratchet wrench or socketed wrench. And let's get started. The first thing you want to do is take off this little cover clip on the inside of the car. And then up under it, it will reveal 2 screws, but this car doesn't have it. Then the second thing you want to do is come down to this light. Pull it out from the side. It should be a screw right here, but it doesn't have it. And to unconnect it, lift up on here, and then at the same time pull the connector out and come out. And then the third one, it should be like a clip type thing, a black clip that goes right here. Pull that out, and then you want to take off the door handle cover for the interior. And then you want to make it easy for you. Take off the window switch. And then there's a clip. Press down on here, pull it out. And then you want to gently lift up on the door panel and place it right here.
So this is what the inside of the door looks like.
You be careful, you will be breaking one of these if you don't lift up and then pull. Just pull right off. Crazy. So then you want to gently pull down the water barrier. Just enough where you can get your hand in there. And then you want to look inside here.
Look inside there.
And there should be the door handle right above, right behind the window track. Look right in here. The door handle will be right there. And for that one, you will need a 10mm ratchet wrench or a socket ratchet. And the screws will be roughly where you see that little hole right there, and the other one's way back there. Then you come out on the other side of the car and you take a screwdriver
Basically, you just pop the handle out.
Take a screwdriver. It'd be some little clips that's holding it in. And then
it's tightly in there, so you're gonna have to tug on it, but it should be coming out.
So you want to gently pry it down, push it back this way, pry it down this way, and then it should come out from behind the door. And then you want to take a in order to remove the door, the lock, you want to remove this clip. Just remove this clip right here. And the lock mechanism will come out, and then it'd be easy to install on a new one. Unclip the door lock, or the piece that for a door handle. Unclip that, and since it's to the old one, just slide it off, and you get your new one. And this part right here is GM1311170, and this is a replacement door handle. So reverse.
That's what the handle looks like again.
Just go to new door handle, and then you want to reverse install. Take your I'll take the easiest one first, and then the new one also comes with a new clip for the door, the lock mechanism. You just want to simply take that piece off, put it to the side where you can see it. You want to slip the new door handle back onto. You want to make sure it's snug against the door handle. Push all the way in there. Take your clip, slide it up into its grooves. And it will clip. Take your door handle mechanism, snap it into place. Push it all the way in. Well, you're doing this in the cold.
And it is cold outside. But we wanted to make a video for you guys, just so you guys know the proper way to do it. And check out our channel.
Snap on right there.
And again, it snaps on.
And then you want to take your new door handle, push it in behind, because there's where the screws will go in right there. So you want to push your door handle behind the first one, and then slide your new in. Push the door handle all the way back. Slide it in. Make sure that your water barrier is surrounding the door handle, so you know no water to get into the inside of the car. And make sure it's flush. Make sure it's flush onto there and seat it properly onto the door. Then you want to come on the back side and you want to replace the 2 screws that go in the back of the door handle. And you want to hold the door handle in place and find the holes.
Find the holes in the back. It should be 2 holes where he's putting his hand. Just feel where you took the bolts off from.
You want to hand tighten them down first. First screw you see is right above there. You want to tighten that down hand tightly, and then you want to tighten it down with your ratchet or ratchet wrench. And then the other one you can see is behind the lock mechanism. It's kind of hard to get, and also it's right behind the window rail where the window sits on. But if you have 2 people, have one pry open the door handle a little bit so they can see where the bolt's going, and then you try to screw it in there, and then you want to tighten it down. Then once you get it snugly or tightened down, so there won't be no type of water coming in. It has a little water barrier that goes around. Little water barrier that goes around right here. Around. And you want to put everything back together. Put the water barrier back on so you could test it out. You want to put your at least put the door back into the loop grooves on each side. Lift up a little bit. Then you want to check your door. want to come and check the door and see if it works. So you want to put none of the screws back. There go your new door handle, and it works.